Hello, my good people. How are you doing today? I'm back. Today we're gonna go through some gold trading. We're gonna go through some. We're gonna go through some what? We're gonna go through some nice setups, mate. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you are still alive. Today I have been busy. So there's people coming complaining, I didn't you don't say anything. I didn't you haven't responded to my messages. I will. I see it, but I sleep at 3 a.m. at night and I wake up at night just to work and I don't do anything. I barely eat food, I barely sleep. So if there's anything they want me to tell me now so I can look it through it. But I will write down on my long list of things I need to do, respond to, and whatever. So if you haven't seen it, I will take care of you, okay? By the way, thank you very much to everyone who has joined the mentorship program. It is costing $350 at the moment for 6 months. I think, well, that's going to be the last price. And I think that we might close that one up when the last spaces are filled up. I think that should be 2 spaces left. It was 5. 3 people have joined in. So it should be then, and I don't know if it will ever open it again. Of course, it will open it again. But if it will be tomorrow or a month ago or a month from now, maybe not. Cyril, welcome back for more, mate. Yes. Hello, bro. We are alive. Waxing Charlotte. I'm better, Priestley. I'm better. Eugene. Oh, yeah. Wait. There we go. Now we are back. Take some time for yourself. We need you healthy. Well, I hope so too. Chef Papi, welcome. Oi, mate. What is important today is Systemax has 20% off today, and if you want to join the Discord, that is the link. So what are we going to do today? We are going to laugh, and see, I'm just going to do something on Discord, and then at everyone there will be a beep. Yeah. I'm not going to say anything else than whatever you saw in Discord right now, that is up to you. You saw that, so that's up to you. Okay. Yes, sir. Dollar index. Well, first of all, your dollar. I said, well, I didn't say, I will actually also first because I said, and yes, we do, sold 106.60 ish levels. I think it was more like 58, but ish there. Okay, fair enough. That went well. I said yesterday that this might be the bottom, and now we have fallen more. Okay, cool. Nothing else. Okay, cool. We're still falling then. We're still falling. The thing here is, mate, which is very important, which I had to go through with the A1 people today, is that what you expect versus what you get is 2 different things at this moment. So you expect small, but you're still getting something. But okay, let us do a test. Okay, let's bring up a poll here. I want you guys to, was Ivan right or correct about a range trading environment past 15th of June 2022? Question mark. That is a yes or no question. There is no, I don't know. Hi, Raphael, another mentee of me. Hope you're enjoying the mentorship, by the way. I'm about to send out an email or a message. I've just probably messaged everyone in Discord If you guys can give me some social proof of how it is. I don't know if it is. I don't know how it is in there. I think it's good. I hope it's good. But yep, Pepsi. That would be great. So euro dollar is falling. I didn't like at the time at around 27th, 24th. I didn't like it how it was rising, so I didn't sell it, obviously. But it fell. But okay, I can do that. That's okay. I have no trades on euro at the moment. I have nothing in particular trading plan other than it's falling tonight. Okay. How is the 27% thinks that, or like three people, 2 or 3 people think that I did was not correct, but okay, that's all right. So the start on euro was here, and we are back at the same price. Back at the same price. So I don't know if that's a range to you, but okay, that is okay for me. Aussie, that goes a bit lower. Okay. 15th on pound. Yeah, still nothing much. Pound New Zealand sharp reversal. That is 2 seconds there on that one. Pound New Zealand sharp reversal. Yeah, this one can still fall. I'm just going to go and check season X, by the way, on that one. I don't know if there's any seasonal patterns on Pound New Zealand, but I have a feeling. I have a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Woo-hoo. So, around the beginning of July, so maybe more like 10th ish, Pound New Zealand might start rising higher. 80% chance, 2.5% average return. Okay, maybe there is something there. Maybe there is something there. So, okay. So, what do you want to see then, mate? Then you want to see that this is falling down, for this is falling down. Yeah, this is falling down. Has it ever happened? Every time before? Every time before? Yeah, that's pretty good for me. But okay, that it was not the greatest. It's not the greatest. Not that's not great either. I just said maybe, but okay, let's do Pound New Zealand yet again on that 4 hours. So July last year didn't, or 2019 didn't do well. Okay, por qué? Por favor. And that year, okay. So I don't believe in it. So maybe not. Maybe not. As you see, generally price on Pound New Zealand either reverse or they don't do anything at all. So I'm out of there. I'm out. Nope. Nothing for me to say there. So yes, mate. I was impressed by your assumption. This shows how experienced you are. Cool, bro. Still learning a lot. That's how we do it. Raphael, can we still have a quick look on CAD yen? Yes, we can. Since you are mentee, you have a priority. Oui. Je me sais. Oui. Uh-huh. Which direction? Do you want to go up? Do you want to go down? Where are we going? In the meantime, skål. Does this even fit? Looking to buy. Okay. I would actually say to you, mate, keep a chill pill. Just think, does this work today? Can you even see me today? No, you can't. A bad hair day today. Son. Now. Okay. Fair enough. What do you need to say for it to rise? is there supposed to be there's supposed to be a peak somewhere. I think that's around 10th or 11th. Yeah, 13th. Okay. Okay, so you're thinking like that kind of a thing. Um, if that happens, mate, this wasn't the most perfect trade I've ever seen. So you know that is okay. That's too low. That is okay. That is too low. It does go higher, and now it just broke lower. 105, 103.50, and then do that. That's picture perfect, but I don't. It's difficult, man. It's difficult. Yeah, it's difficult. Mm, I don't I don't feel it. Let's give it that. I don't feel it. But any day, any moment that Bank of Japan comes out and says something incredibly smart, this is going to do something. So yeah, looking for a buy. Yeah, yeah. It is definitely higher. Yen pairs are falling pretty hard. Yeah, hard is probably not the word, but falling, yes. And not too tempting until its next chill pill, then it is. Yeah. Hello, Ivan. Greetings. I bought XTI USD at 104, 14, 22, 13. What is that Palladium? XTI USD. A crude? At what price you said? 104? Okay. Well, that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. But okay. I guess. Jum. Jumbo. Yeah. Question for a different day. Yeah. I know, mate. I know, mate. And it's more like a sell generally seasonality now. And probably will be coming in soon as more, but just look at it. Morning I was buying yen pairs, but I took profit. I didn't like the volatility. Yeah, that's totally okay. What's up? We rich yet? Yeah. You know. Well, I talked to Harold yesterday, I did my taxes, and he was like, yeah. What do we talk about? He said, yeah. Oh yeah, so we pay taxes? Oh yeah. Okay, that means you're profitable. That means you're okay. Yes, I'm rich, but I'm rich in mindset, but bro, that's what I am. But we're rich yet. Well, I don't know. There's gonna be something. There's gonna be something for you at the end of this stream, though, and it means cha-ching. So I'm surplus. Okay, I'm surplus. So that makes us. Is it? We are above above $1,000 on streams now. So it'll probably be 1.1 now. Anyways, cool. So where are we now? Pound cat seasonality. By the way, your buying 104 is too aggressive. I don't like it. Fair enough, you got profits. Good on you. Fantastic. But it ain't something that I would have done, mister. But good for you. Good on you. And July looks pretty flat, mate. Looks pretty flat. Points 50, so nothing much there. What is the TP for pound selling? I think that should be Yeah. Okay. Question mark, people. Question mark. What do you guys think about yo mama jokes? I have a couple of ones sitting there waiting. uh, lovely, lovely. That was 121. So you are 80 pips more in profit. So it's okay. Um, but I don't expect miracles. I almost expect it to reverse back up again. Even 120, 170. You're late, mate. But can't blame you. But yeah, you're late. Sold Aussie, sold Euro, bought USD dollar. Bought USD CAD recently, made dollars. Very much. Congratulations. That deserves a clap. I should have like a dollar sign rating, but I don't have that right now. When go up on gold? Today, hopefully. I currently see a lower low, so I am just waiting. Not much meat left on this bone, no. And by the way, people, more than anything else, you're gonna see reversals out of thin air on on pairs that you didn't even know was possible. Okay, what does that mean? That means if you look at euro, for example, lately, we went lower yesterday, yeah, and then went higher, and then we back down again. Like that's just nonsense, right? Aussie is a different game. But if you look at USD CAD, for example, it has gone down, came up, came down, went higher now, but it's for the past 24 hours, it's just been nothing much. So be aware of that. That you like Euro New Zealand as well. You went higher on Euro New Zealand, came 100% down again, and then 100% back up again. That's kind of the name of the game at the moment. So even though if you have profits right now, don't be shy to take profit. I'm just telling you to be profit. Happy I got my 10K challenge account back in profit before the end date. I never realized how bad my psychology was until I started challenge. Yes, mate, I'm telling you. All of a sudden, before the money starts counting, everything became real. So generally now, if you trade, I said back, what was it here? I think this is going to continue falling, and then it later on fell. It's not like I am a wizard in these times. I have no clue where things is going to go, but I have a couple of theories of what should happen. What should happen is that market is not liquid enough for us to hold a trend. Market is not liquid enough to be going into strong trends. And even so, if you see like breaks of is there a reason for why yen should go down? Excuse me, yen. I'm just reading. This is just things. I need reasons for why yen is strong, not because they fell. That's just useless piece of absolutely garbage. It doesn't give me anything. Come on, guys, give me a reason. Okay, no reason, just market being exhausted. Okay. Market just gave up on sending yen higher than I guess, or yen lower than I guess. One thing else. Yeah, okay. So then we go to the yen. That one. Okay. So if I was to say anything, I say a lot of things a lot of times, right? If we go to 4 hour, so yeah, if we break higher than that, how that could potentially lead to a bullish trend. So still so far, but finger on the trigger, people. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. I have already answered that, David. Yeah. Hey, I was watching that ad. I don't know which ad you've been given, bro, but please tell me. I am planning for gold to go higher today. Even if today or Monday, I don't really care when that is. I have a bullish bias. I think we need to go higher. I think people will start buying gold. But that doesn't care for the market at the moment. So, I'm wrong. But I haven't gotten into any trades. I have lately been posting like different TikTokers buying and selling gold with full margin. Just to warn you what is happening out there. That you can go wild and lose your account, and you can go wild and and gain your account. So, yeah. So consumer confidence came in lower than expected. Is that a yen bullish or yen bearish move? Whatever the yen is doing right now, that's actually a dollar and yen bearish move, because that will mean that we need to help the Japanese economy more. So, yeah. All right. ING says Japan growth prospects still remain positive for the short term. Shuran says, how do I pay taxes? They send you an invoice and then you pay the invoice. Yeah. And they will take anything you have. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. Non-farm payroll next Friday. Yeah, there's no non-farm payroll today. Whoever thought that was surprised. Ooh, that's a nice card. Ooh, damn. What is what am I supposed to say? No, I can't remember what I was supposed to say. There's lockdowns in China and Hui province from COVID. Euro had what today? Some kind of what's it consume? What's the consumer confidence Euro had today? Euro PMI was better than expected. And then core PCE yesterday was at expectation or a bit lower than expectation. GDP from Canada was at expectation. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index was less than expected. Unemployment in Europe was better than expected, which is lower. Retail sales worse than expected out of Germany. Okay. GDP out of UK, same as expected. Okay. GDP out of America, negative 1.6. Oh wow, what happened? What's happening? Raphael, oh no. Gives us, is it 25 Polish zloty? I guess it is. Thank you very much, bro. You don't need to, but I am deeply appreciative. Thank you very much. You are in a very special group. I will put you on a list. I will forever remember those who has provided anything, sent anything anything to this chat, to these streams. But to my favorite FX guy, Coffee Money. Cheers, mate. I just bought new batch yesterday, so it goes a long way. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is that warms me my heart actually, and also it's coffee, so makes me double warm. Um, oh, I you don't need to, but I still feel like that is very special things. That is very special of you to do. So I I'm speechless. Yeah, let's continue, people. Hmm. Hmm. Thank you very much, Rafael. I can't. Uh, I it just it make yeah it makes me happy. Cool, Kulmicha, Kulmika just became a new member of this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There is going to be a meeting on Sunday. We're going to have a fundamental analysis Sunday stream on Sunday. So that's going to be around 6 p.m. European Berlin time. It's going to be recorded, so you'll be access to it the rest of the week. But we are currently going through central bank policy and how that affects the market. And I think by the end of July, you should be quite strong in fundamental analysis if that makes you happy. And if not, thank you very much. I deeply appreciate every single one of you, and especially the YouTube members. Euro dollar. Is there any trade here today, this morning, or next week? Can someone tell me that there is a trade here? Do you trade euro? Do we trade euro? Um. Okay, I guess. The other part to this is I wanted to buy euro New Zealand. Um, the thing here is, okay, I know I'm jumping from Euro New Zealand to from Euro New Zealand, from Euro dollar to Euro New Zealand, but I just want to buy it. Can we buy it next week, please? Berlin time. Moch says Moch sends me a 1,000 yen as a super sticker. Wow. You guys don't have to. Oh, thank you very much. Cool. Micha, that would be 7 p.m. I think it is going to be Kenyan time. Oh, thank you. You don't need to. It's deeper appreciated, and you have a guys have a special heart. You have a special place in my heart. Um, I'm forever grateful. I don't know how it does if it ever comes across, but I'm about to cry. Stop it. Yeah, it's been difficult times now lately. So yeah, thank you very much. Tuan says he's in a sell position. I think that's about euro dollar. I just want to say I'm planning to buy a 168 and 168.60 and 167.96 for next week. So we shall see how that goes. Something like that. That's my plan. Euro dollar. You're in a sell position, mate. Yeah, I would. That's okay, mate. I will. I would be a bit more careful about that. Mostly because we have already hit take profit zone. We have reacted to it, and this is kind of where you are. That this is the bottom that you kind of would expect things to go to. So expectations versus reality is kind of difficult, not kind of different. But that's why I've already been out of this market. I would actually be out of this market because I'm not going to say it's going to go higher per se, but the move from here to here is kind of over. Thank you very much, Moch. Thank you very much, Kulmicha. Thank you very much, Rafael. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. It will never be for granted on this stream. Is it a good time to sell your Rosie? I will look at that later. We'll take half of my position and test the luck for the rest. That's actually very. That's actually a very good decision, I would say. Don't take my word for it, but yeah, I would at least. That is what I would have done. So good. Boom. Happy for you, mate. Chat. Is Euro Aussie a good? Is Euro Aussie a good sell? Yes, no, I don't know. We are here. It's a good time to sell Euro Aussie at 104.50. No, 154. I will let chat make their own decision a bit. I will look at that next, Rafa. What is your thoughts on Aussie 50 basis point right? Mostly priced in, I guess. Nothing else. Broke the range, made a high. No selling. No selling anymore. So, Marilyn, I know you've been here for some time. I love that you are here. I appreciate everything you do here and your contributions here. So, if I allow myself to talk to you as I would talk to a professional trader, because I believe you're a professional and can take professional advices, is that currently you have a higher high. It doesn't really matter if it's 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. Those are all potential places for price to reverse. So one thing else you need to look for a reversal. Can 154 be a reversal place? Yes, it can be. Absolutely. But I would be cautious before you actually see a reversal. So some kind of that would be great. Come back down to central, come back up again, and then that is a scenario that would be the best for you. The other part is remember your stop loss. Remember to not get in too early. Be conservative in this time of year, of this time of season. 50 pips, 70 pips is probably a good place to have a stop loss. Nothing less than that. And then try to see a reversal. Try to see how things is going on. A reversal has happened here before, but it's really shallow. Didn't go well, and then it continued on, and then it went lower bit in the end. But generally, nothing particularly nice reversals here. If this happens to you, it just falls. Don't force it. Don't take it. So yes, you can definitely look for a sell here. It is definitely allowed, but I would personally at this moment be very cautious, and you'll probably see something on Monday. I don't think today. I think today is too early. We can go to your Aussie CAD because of Rafael, one of today's fantastic givers to this stream. Aussie CAD, if I can only find it, mate, that would have only be the only thing that's stopping me. But also, Rafael is also one of the winner chicken dinners of some giveaway on this channel. So, oh yeah. So, mate, is it time to take profit for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar sellers? Does this speak to you? What does this say? What does this say to you? How are you feeling about that? Mostly people said no. Euros is not a good sell at the moment. I don't want to force 54. I actually sold 152.60 on Monday, 151.91 yesterday. Took BE on that one, got butchered on the other one, but given that we are forming a new higher high, I don't like it. Yes, sir. Um, we I will look at yours at 132.20. I don't know if that's a buy or sell or what's the direction. Please give your direction. Hey, Xavier, there you are. I'm gonna beat your. I'm gonna beat your. Where you been, mate? What did you say? Well, if I you said that if I even could just get a more consistent streaming schedule, but I'm here now. Okay. So I would definitely say that, Raphael. I'm really happy for your profits. Be happy with it. If you continue, if you can take partial profit, probably the better thing. If you have more than one sell on it. I'm just checking out July, previous years. Yeah. So what I'm worried about, mate, is that we hit some kind of target a bit below the target and then just shoots back up again. So that's kind of my worry on this one. But seems to me like it's a bit different every year. Everything is different. So yeah, as long as you got profits, mate, you're happy. So don't complain. Just saw the notification I was on the road. Yeah, you're late. Is it a good time to buy pound yen, mate? We'll do Wing. What Wing didn't respond to me, did he? Good day, mate. I'm here. I'm new here. Welcome. Welcome. Jump Karibu sana. G7 countries are deciding to stop gold buy from Russia. How is it going to impact the move of gold? That is an interesting thing. Russia is not the only player of gold. Mm, but I would say that it's not positive for the Russian gold price but for the world as in general, Russia still is able to sell gold. They just sell it in India or China or Switzerland. Um, so the question is how much impact, how much is it going to restrict the actual gold price? Well, so far, I think it can make the gold go down before we kind of figured out it wasn't as bad as we thought. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Wayne, what do you mean, mate? Is that a buy? Is that a sell? What's your direction? Is that you take profit? Like, what's the deal, mate? Um, what's up with it? What is it? Please, so I can give you a nice feedback. Pound yen. Is it a good time to buy pound yen? Mwangi. Sasa. Hapana. Sana. like, no. Not at all. Now is probably the worst time to buy pound yen. There is nothing in this world that says buy there. Nope. Yeah, that is not a good idea at all. Nope. Hi, I wanted to ask pound dollar and your view seasonality for July. What is that seasonality thing? Is that bearish? Well, I think seasonality for pound dollar isn't clear. I'm just going through my brain of how it has been before. Has it mostly fall? I think it's mostly fallen in July. Generally, at least in the beginning. But overall, the return is 0.13%. So it's a very flat month. As you can see here, some months was really good, some was really bad. Someone was like, So, nah, it's kind of the answer there. شكرا. Quelly. Let me just Google something for you guys. Nah, it wasn't that one. It was supposed to be that one. Yeah, it is actually that one. Yeah, it is actually. Quelly. Quelly is really. Kasasa says, when do you expect liquidity to come back to the market? Ooh, third week of July, third week of August, I think, give or take. Mange says shukrani. You're welcome, mate. After seeing 150 sell can, I don't think is a good sell. It's kind of wild. Yeah, it is at the moment. So sorry. Could you check my question once? Maybe silly, but I want to have an explanation in mind. Where is your question? Can you resend your question? I'm trying to go through it. Okay, there we are. I understand gold going up in July, but also stocks have good seasonality in July, I guess, right? Any correlation, contradictory? No, not really per se, but the reason for gold, there were three reasons for gold going higher is physical gold demand, like Indians going out for getting married again. So physical gold. I believe that we are in such an environment that things is not like in a risk environment where we are risk off. So gold should go higher because of people taking profit and going into gold and taking a holiday, and gold is kind of the safe haven to go to. So it's like a money flow expectation there. Um, and then seasonality. But if those two first ones doesn't happen, seasonality doesn't happen, right? But if you look at seasonality for the past 10 years, from is it first there? Yeah. Up until August, it's 3.4% return. So, I feel pretty confident about it. But I'm still just, looking for it. If I don't get it, I don't get it. What do you think about Jan pairs on the weekly and monthly? And then use 30, says Davies. There ain't nothing for me to do there on US 30 or net or Nasdaq. The reason for that, mate, is pretty clear and simple. It is bearish. So, you can sell it as much as you want every week. Every week you sell, every week you sell, every week you sell. That's what you do. So 31,359 is kind of next week's sell price, and then something like that. More nothing else. Pretty simple. Nothing else. If it goes higher, okay, cool. Then we can start looking for buys, but I'm not selling it. I'm just waiting for it to go higher. What do you think about yen pairs on monthly and weekly? They are parabolic. They are very high. They have been pumped up because of the Bank of Japan. I don't look too much on the weekly and monthly, but they're somewhere in the middle. So I hope they can come a bit down into August so we can go back up in the rest of the year, more than else. So I don't have much to say there other than yes, I can see they're high. Yes, it's a bit maybe double top at the moment. But they have to make a lower low before it actually makes a reversal there. What's your thoughts on your Swissy parity consideration? Europe Swissy biggest trading partner? Yes, that is a place for the Swiss National Bank to start doing their things about weakening the Swissy. I have called out for. I think I mentioned parity not that long ago. I mentioned parity. We weren't at parity when when I called it out. So somewhere in 2022, I can't remember which day it was, but yeah, that we were going down to parity. We are again down to parity, but I think as we have been here before, we'll reach higher. We have been here before, and we went higher. So there's a lot of demand from the Swiss National Bank to defend that area. But also they did increase their interest rate by 50 basis points. Surprisingly, Swiss will then be strong. It is a fight between the Swiss National Bank and the traders. Traders want to buy the Swissy. Swiss National Bank wants to make it weak, and we are basically caught in a fight more than anything else. So where is it going to go? As long as the Swiss National Bank doesn't do anything crazy, this can continue lower because of the market's wishes to take it lower. But don't be surprised if it starts going higher. Okay. So yes. So I think that should it go below parity? I think it definitely can go below parity, but let's make an if then statement. If it goes, then yes, continue sell as long as you are at resistance and you are on a bearish trend, and get out of there once the Swiss National Bank starts to sell the Swissy again. Because it's a player you don't want to trade against. I've tried, and it's death. It's way more money than I have in my account to start supporting it. The Euro Swissy drop that year was the first time to blow my account. Sorry, Tuan. Sorry about that. Many people lost money there. 2015 when they stopped supporting the Euro Swissy against 1.2, and they said bye bye, and then fell 2,000 pips in split seconds. Gold just spiked up. That makes me that makes me happy. That makes me happy. I'm not buying it yet though, but it makes me happy. It makes me happy. So what am I looking for, mates? I'm looking for a at least price above 1806. And then we'll take it from there, I guess. Above 1806. Something like that. Yeah, at least it has to break 1806 and then come back. So something like that. More than anything else. Minimally. So we shall see. I was watching the chart when the peg was taken away, but didn't trade on it. Now, I was too young. Was that? No, I wasn't too young to trade. I just wasn't in the market at that point in life. What we're talking about, generally, people, for those who doesn't know, 2015, I was still struggling traders. I wasn't, or was I wasn't looking at Euro Swiss by any means, by any way. They were defending 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, 1.2. Mark was like, no, that's not gonna work. That's gonna work. What happened was the Swiss National Bank, for them to make Euro Swiss be at 1.22, 1.20, they need to sell Swissy, so this one can go higher and buy Euro. But they were stacked up with so much foreign reserves that didn't have more Swissy left to sell, so they just gave up, and that's what happened. That was a red day on many accounts. That was a bad day for many. So yeah, we recovered, and even your Swissy went back up to 1.2 and then fell back down again. So it did recover somehow. So when you're thinking of buying a bottom that is currently a bottom, or a low, sorry, you have to be very You need to be very. You need to be very. Oh, what do you call that, Evan? Clear, patient. Be very selective of what you do, so you don't burn yourself. I see the acceleration in price lower. I understand, but I also understand that if I'm gonna buy it, I need to be firm with what I do, so I don't burn myself too much. Okay, gotcha. Today there is going to be a G at the end of the stream. Um, Ska vi se. What else, mate? Yeah, fair enough. Cautious, yeah, probably a better word for it. Just Norwegian and me is English, and me is not necessarily what English is not my first language, bro. That's all. So we jump over to subscribers only for a couple of minutes. So we'll see who joins and doesn't join. But yeah. Heading to the gym, mate. See you soon. Bye. Boom. Good job, mate. Good job, mate. So, how are we gonna do this? I am going to go into a how much should we? How much should we? 2 times 50 or 1 time 100? What's your verdict? 2 times 50 or 1 times 100? Space, can you check pound Aussie? Yeah, we can do that. That's all right. That's all right. What do you want to see, mate? What do you want to do? You are the expert. I will tell you if you're right or wrong. Yeah, that's totally okay for me, Xavier. That's totally okay. And if gold now goes to 1600, I absolutely don't care. That's the worst part. I don't care. Um, the the reason for why I don't care is I wanted to go higher. So yeah, it's you know I love you guys to get profits, but I have a very little room margin of error of okay, I don't care for myself, for my own trading more than anything else. Let's say it that way. Let's say it that way. So if you guys trade gold to the downside, if you guys sell it, sure. Fun. Get it. Get the pips and bring it to the table, and so we can all be profitable by the end of it. What is a YouTube member? A YouTube member who has paid like 4.9, I think, at least minimally, dollars per month. What we generally tend to do, mate, is well, first of all, I look at your comment first in the live session. But the other thing that we also do, generally speaking, every Sunday, is that we have this live stream, and that's actually quite a long one, actually. And we do fundamental analysis. We do a lot of other things, and I basically try to teach you uh, how to look at the world in a different way, in a more strategic way, and be. I say things in here. People are like, oh, it's all the same. I don't feel like it's the same because I don't talk about outlooks here per se. I look at central banking reports. I look at bank reports. I look at COT. I look at all those things I don't look at in a normal stream. So, yeah, just that. What's mine? Okay, fair enough, mate. Where did I go? There we go. Pound Aussie isn't a fantastic sell or buy at the moment. I believe it was a bit earlier this week that we should have bought it. Yeah, that was what I thought. So you'll probably do that today and then think something like that. Um, I don't think seasonality is great on this pair at the moment, so it's more like whatever price is doing. That is kind of where you're going. There's no is it brown Aussie. There is no like wow, fantastic trades and trends at the moment. And if I only click the right buttons, that would probably be better. Yeah. So July returns generally is very little. So that's all. Just day trade. If it comes back down to 76.60, probably a high there, or that's maybe a better one. Or 177, yeah, maybe 176.60 is probably a better place to start. But so far it is a high, but so far it's bullish, but don't take my word for it. Raphael says 2 times 50 is just a range on daily. Lower time frame is just butchering up and down. Yeah, I will agree. Not selling gold, but I've sold Aussie Euro, Aussie this week. Yeah, love it. Alexandra says, love it. I'll have to attend the Sunday session with you. Boom. Welcome, mate. So let's go over to a new part of this one. Or not a new part, but something we do mostly Fridays, actually. It is it's starting to become a trend on Fridays, and okay. Okay, I will do that later. Thank you. So today's keyword for you to, well, first of all, you need to be what? 18 of age, have a PayPal account, or I will put it into credit as for mentorship or any other of my products, daily setups. So what should be the word be today? Is there anyone has a good word out there? Any good words that we can use that everyone can type in easily without any confusion to anything else? Yeah, maybe. Hey, what do you expect for news for dollar? Nothing. I have no expectations. If it goes up or if it goes down, it's going to be the same thing next week, anyways. Yeah. Okay. Peanuts. Okay, I need to find something fast. Okay. Okay, I know what word. I know. No. I know. Okay. Let's see if who says it first. You want to be one of them who is going to be a part of the giveaway of $50. Going to be 2 times. 2 times 2 people will give it. It's going to be love, people. If you type love in the comment section right now, you are eligible to get $50 PayPal, whatever, gift card, whatever you call it nowadays. So yeah. And you have to kind of also collect it. You have to also come back to me, send me an email or Discord or something, so I can send it to someone. Kind of need to have an email to send it to. I also need to check that you are you. So yeah, how many are we now? We are currently 21 people. Okay, fair enough. Not too bad, actually. 21. Fair enough. Who? Okay, yeah. Actually, I was about to hide my own comment, but yeah. So do like David Richards FX, do like FS8 HFCVZ. Do like Moch. Do like Negotiable. Do like Xavier. Do like Kazaza. Sheldon. Even you are here. Wow. Eso. I saw that you booked a meeting, mate. Pen. Copy paste. Would rather gain your wisdom. Yeah. I'm just here to bring happiness and positivity. If this is what you guys, well, this brings me a positivity and happiness. Do you know why? Because you're coming to my stream, and you're like wondering, like, what do I do? Like, what is my legacy? So my legacy is to give back to the community. My time, my effort, my tears, my sweat, and I love. No, the thing is, I love giving. Doesn't really matter who you are from, what are you from. I don't do any, what do you call it, discrimination if you have got from before or whatever. You know what? And one day I'm gonna make a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna go around and donating to like people who just sells on the street, or just random people, streams or whatever. And it's the philanthropy in me, I guess. Do I have millions to give away? Probably not. But it's a small contribution from me to them, from me to the community. Samson. Oh, hi, mate. If you want to be a part of this thing, type love, $50 on the line for 2 people. Which broker would you suggest trading with $20-$50 account? Doesn't really matter the broker. Just anything and everything. I use FX Pro at the moment, and Oanda. So you do you. Is there anybody else that still wants to be a part of this? Should we give them another minute? One more minute. We have 31 entries out of 53 people. That is 20 people that hasn't done it yet. That is totally fine for me though. 150% is probably a good day for anyone. Yeah. Peanuts. Just make sure to use a small lot size. I actually totally agree with that one, mister. All right. Should we draw? That is one more I saw. Lovely, Rafael. Rafael, you have been lucky before. You're gonna try yourself again. Okay, top of the hour, top of the minute. Sorry. That is 50 seconds from now. How do you book a meeting with me if you're a mentorship student? I'm pretty busy. I don't give away free. I do from time to time give away free meetings to people. So, but I have stopped doing that. I haven't stopped doing it, but just haven't done that lately. But yeah. Someone just joined the mentorship class. I'm not going to say your name, but thank you very much, bro. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot of fun. 3, 2, 1. First one. Who is it going to be $50 to? Who is it going to be? 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 Alexandre Turcotte. Welcome. Oui. Very much. Last one. Another one. Again. Who's the other one? 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 I have an efficacy. It's not going to live with anything anyways. Come on. Please send me an email. Please send me an email or join Discord. The link is in the description. I look like this guy. I look here. And if you go to my Discord, I send me a message there. I'm the CEO of my Discord. Free, by the way. Don't worry. Not going to do anything to you. So thank you guys for being here. Mwah. Have a fantastic day. Both of you, please send me a message so I can give it to someone. unless it will just be given next time as well. So to another person. So have a good. You need to send me a message, and then Kalman needs to send me a message. I'm just trying to find you, but I can find your message right now. So, yepsy pepsi. That's how you do it. There we go. I saw it now. No, it was George. Ah, wrong. There we go. Mwah. See you. Boom.